Hi there everyone, this is a quick ProWorkflow tutorial on the project details page. The project details page is something that will contain all the relevant information to your project. It is the project page. These can be accessed via the projects tab here, and effectively everything in this list is going to be a project. So if we click into one of these, we're brought to this page, and as I say, this is where all of our information is contained. So first of all, across the top you'll see your project number followed by the project name, and right underneath that the project client. Just to the right here we have a favorite button, a calendar button, and a tag button also. Now here's where all the basic details are contained, so your manager, your category, etc. And across to the right of it, this is where your financials are taken in. Now if you've attached quotes using our quotes module, and same goes for invoices, these values will be displayed here. Otherwise you can hit the edit button and set these values manually. The big complete button is of course at the top right, and scrolling down a little bit further we get our next section, which firstly shows us our description, followed by our task section and our contact section. So this is where a lot of the more in-depth project detail is contained. Of course with our task list we have the freedom to add edit tasks, and we can also edit them individually on the line here. We can move them around using this click and drag function, and we can add new ones just by clicking that button there. Scrolling down even further, we've got a shared notes section which allows you to share information with both staff and also clients and contractors who may be assigned to the project. For example, Caleb here. We've then got a quotes section which will contain our quotes, our expenses section which allows us to list basic expenses, so title, description, cost, and date, and then whether they've been invoiced for or not. And then further down we've got our messages, followed by our files, followed by our timeline, which, just as a reminder, will copy through all of your start and finish dates for all of your tasks and will be updated live. So if I move this task back here from the 24th to the 26th, now task 1.1 will read as such when we go back up to the task list. Further down we've got a time summary which displays all time records and what period they were tracked in. Private notes, which is much like shared notes, however only exists as one description field where you can type in text, not a sort of list of fields. And as well as that can only be viewed by staff members. Further down we've, in this particular project, got a Dropbox section followed by invoices. However, keep in mind the entire time you can always hit the edit button, go through to settings and actually change where the order of all of these items here, as well as enable and disable them should you need to. I hope this has been helpful. As always, send a message to support@proworkflow.com or subscriptions@proworkflow.com if you need any more help. Have a great day.